going to show you how to play What Is Love by Kieza. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction because it sets the chord progression for the entire piece, really. So you're going to start in this octave, C, C, D, E flat, D, G, G, A, B flat, D, C, C, D, E flat, D, G, B flat, D. And then we're going to go into the same chord progression, but you're basically working off of a C harmony, an E flat harmony, a G minor harmony, and this is a C minor, E flat, a G minor harmony, a B flat. Now later on, once you get to the chorus, there's an A flat in there, but the main thing is those four chords: C, E flat, G, B flat. So the intro starts with that, and we're going to play the chord here: E flat, G, C, and then we're just going to walk up the bass line, and we'll hit the chord each time. Then we're going to hit a G and a B flat. Now your E flat chord is E flat, G, B flat. Your C minor chord is C, E flat, G. And then we got E flat, G, B flat for the E flat chord. All we're going to do is change one note, D, G flat, G, B flat. The G minor chord is G, B flat, D. So we're going to have D, G, B flat. So now I'll go slowly so you can see it. So we're going to have E flat, C minor, E flat, G minor, and then to go to the B flat, we're going to have the F and the B flat only. So our right hand is going to be, so let me go slowly. E flat, C, G, C, G and B flat, D, G, B flat, D, F, B flat, converting to F and B flat because when I play the D in the left hand, we just play the F and the B flat here, and then we go back to C and then we do it again. So here it is all together. Right here, she comes in with a vocal, and so I just hold that, and I don't play that extra chord. And she continues the vocal, and she gets a little bit of swing to it. And then because the B flat, it ends in B flat, and I'm on an F, all I play is the B flat and the D. And then we go right into the verse. So we go. We go into the verse. Now the verse is C, E flat and G, and then E, G. Now the way you're going to play this, E, G, G, B, G, B flat and D, B flat, D and F. And then we're into the chorus, and then we add that A flat. So now all we got to do is get the melody. Well, you're a little humming in there that she's going to sing. She's going to sing an E flat and G, D, F, and then the melody starts off with G, F, G, B flat, two quick B flats, G, F, G, 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 A flat, G, F, F, E flat, G, F, C, G, B flat, B flat, G, F, G, G, A flat, G, F, G, B flat, C, and we're into the chorus. Now to put that together, you just have to synchronize it, and you don't have to play that extra thump of the chord. You can play it, you can get by with that like that, but you're down in this octave. used to playing that with that second pop of the chord. But let me see if I can do it without it, because it may mess you up and you may be able to play it without that second beat. So you can just play the chord one time. So don't let synchronizing that with the melody mess you up there. If you just want to play it one time, it'll sound just as good. It sounds just a little bit better with that second pop. So let me get the melody for you on the chorus. G, B flat, C, G, A flat, G, B flat, G, G, B flat, G, G, F, again, B, G, B flat, C, then this time we go up, E flat, D, C, B flat, G, G, B flat, G, G, F, G, F, C, and then we go into the second verse. So I'll go slowly with the chorus so you can see it. So don't hesitate to go slowly on this, because then maybe your left hand and right hand will synchronize. But if you just practice it a little bit, the hands will start to synchronize together. And you can, same thing with the chorus, you can just play the chord once. Second verse, you'll have a few little melodic changes, like now she doesn't sing that F pickup. She just sings the C in the one that I watched. But you can put that F in there, pick up it. I do it very short right there, if you want to, but you don't have to. You can play it without the. This time on the chorus you go way up to this E flat. Up to the E flat again. And then we're back into the post-chorus. It's a post-chorus vocal interlude right there that we're into. So let me get you that. So your chord progression on the chorus is just your chord progression on the chorus is A flat, C minor, E flat, back to the B flat. So. Here we go down to a G, G minor, and then we're back into the second verse. And I'll play the second verse now without talking. flat right there. So this changes, the melody changes because it's a post-chorus vocal interlude. C, B flat, C, B flat, G, C, B flat, C, B flat, G, F, G, F. And she just has a G and a G, A flat, E flat, F, D, C, B flat, C. And then we're into the bridge first. So we got C, 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 B flat, G, B flat, B flat, C, B flat, E flat, D, B flat, G, C, B flat, G, C, F, E flat, then up to E flat, D, B flat, G, F, F, C, B flat, G, F, E flat, G, B flat, B flat, E flat, D, C, and then we're back into the chorus and the tag, and there's a little bit of, there's a few minor changes on that tag chorus. So let's get into the post-chorus. Now you're going to have C minor, E flat, chord, B flat, chord, A flat, and we do it again. So we're very similar, but we throw that A flat in there. Now this G sounds better if you come slightly after the chord. And then that A flat comes just before the E flat. That last tag chorus. So the bridge will come together. You may have to practice it hands separate to get it all to synchronize, but it'll come together. And once again, if you want to just do individual chords, you can. It sounds very much more like the original if you add that extra pop. And your hand is already there. So it's just a matter of getting your mind and your hands to synchronize together, and if you just spend a little time with the melody, spend a little time with the left hand, you can practice them separate, you'll get it. And play along with the original if you need to. Up to high G. So that one is, it works best for me to finger with these three fingers to get the force on there. See, if I don't get as much force out of the little finger as I do out of this finger, out of the ring finger. Now here it's just the left hand. Then the vocal comes back in. She's getting ready to close it out. And then this is just a little instrumental interlude. So lighten it up just a bit. And then the vocal is back in. And I couldn't get it all on that second page, so the last little bit there is on a third page. But you'll memorize it quickly. You got so. And then she just repeats the G, F, and ends it with a C right there. So you don't keep this back to the C minor. You don't do that. And slow it down just a little bit on that G. And hold it as long as you want, let it off. There you have it. Beautiful vocals. What is love? I hope you enjoy it.